Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create sales kit. Let's focus on the step to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. Before we begin discussing how to create sales kit, let's talk about the purpose of this. The purpose of this is to equipping sales representative with essential tools and resources to effectively promote and sell product or services. This kit typically contain product information, promotional materials, samples. So first, accessing back office. So you go into the back office, you collect in your username and your password. So type your username and your password. So click this login. So go to the items inventory. Then locate this sales kit. So we're here in already in sales kit. So type the alias or kit code. For example, AMR stands for Adobong Manok Regular. Then the component is chicken wings. Enter. Then the description of alias kit code means Adobong Manok Regular. Then click this category mean of the item, which means the category does the item belong to. So click this box, the quantity, which means specify the number of each item. For example, the quantity of the adobo ang manok is 500 kilogram. Then click this add new. After you click the add new, after you finishing adding a new item, can you add another item to the sales kit in this part? You can add another. So this is the process on how to create sales kits.